Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this unit that I am rocking right now. Before I jump right into the video, I did want to let you guys know that this video is being brought to you guys by Sit Pretty Hair. So yeah, if you guys want all the details and the specs on this unit, then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so jumping right in, today we have a braided beanie unit, which I think is so freaking nice. So here's the cap construction, and it is average head friendly, so it does fit large and small heads as it is a beanie. It looks like the braids are on like a mesh cap that is sewn to the beanie, which is pretty nice, and I really like the density on this hair as well. It does not look too thin or anything. So on me, this unit falls at like a 30-inch. I am 5'2" and I do have a shorter neck in case you want to use that for a reference. And these braids are so freaking neat. That's why I want to give you guys a close-up. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. It's a really simple unit, and of course I'll finish out with my closing thoughts. Okay divas, so now that you guys have seen all the details and the specs on this cute easy wig, I'm here to tell you guys how I feel about it. So this unit is from Sit Pretty Hair, so thank you so much for sending over this unit. Now this unit is very easy. It's beginner friendly, as you guys can see. I mean, it's just literally like a beanie with cute bomb braids on it. So I really do like this. Like overall, I think it's super duper cute. I really love how neat the braids are. The braids are super neat and they are secured and dipped at the bottom, and I really do like that. But the braids are super neat. I love how long they are because it is wintertime and I tend to like, well, I like long hair all year round, but you know what I mean, like it's like better to have longer hair in the winter, and I just love these braids, like oh my gosh. So overall, I really do like this unit. I feel like this is definitely throw in and go-esque. It's perfect for right now because we are still on the stay-at-home order. So if you just have to go out to go and pick your groceries up from curbside, or however you pick up your groceries, or whatever you have to do, your medicine, whatever you need to do, I feel like this is the perfect throw on and go. And even if you're just sitting around the house, it is cold, you can put on some cute loungewear and put on this wig and you will be good to go. Like, because this wig is so freaking cute. Like I just really do like it. I'm definitely going to be enjoying this to just throw it on when I need to just pick myself up, or even if I need to go and just like pick up my groceries curbside. I will definitely recommend it. If you guys are interested, I'll have a link in the description box below. But yeah divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. If you fabulous girls did enjoy this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow, then definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to know what you guys think about this quick style. Let me know, would you rock it? Do you have it already? Just talk to me. I would love to know what you fabulous girls are thinking. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell, girl. I do upload quite often and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah divas, that is pretty much it, and I will see you girls in the next one. Bye.